everybody, I know it's in the middle of summer, but I have a really quick tip that'll help you get through those rainy days and those long, sweltering summer days when your kids cannot go outside and play. And here it is. This is my quick tip for those rainy days and hot, blistering summer days. Go out and get these activity books. You can go to any store and get them. They're at Target, Walmart, Dollar Tree, your office supply stores have them. I think even some of the grocery stores have them in their magazine sections. Get some inexpensive 3-ring binders. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They were only $1 each and I love the color. The next thing you're going to need is pocket protectors. These are a lifesavers. You put each little page inside the pocket protector and put it in your 3-ring binder, and the kids can reuse it and use it over and over again using these dry eraser markers. And they even have a little eraser on them so they can erase themselves just like a pencil. You can get reading comprehension, shapes, colors, math. They are a wide range of different activities that you can get. They are by ages. They are also by grades. And there's also, go on Google and type in free printables. You can get activity pages, you can get coloring pages, and you can even get one with their name on it. This is my 3-year-old and she is learning how to do her name, as you can see. But it's also a great idea to keep the kids in a routine of learning. You can get something that was their last year's grade to help remember what they learned that year, or go up a grade that they're fixing to go into to give them an extra push before even entering the school doors. So that is my quick summer tip. I hope you like it. And everybody, I am a new subscriber. I am a stay-at-home grandmother. I'm trying to share my tips of all these years of raising kids and now raising my grandkids. I really appreciate the likes, the subscribes, the shares, the comments. Please comment. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. You won't hurt my feelings. I want to do good. This is fun. My grandkids love the videos. I hope you like this quick summer tip, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching and subscribe!
A and an I? I don't know what an A and I makes. Oh, I think you have to add another letter onto it. What's the picture of? So maybe you need to do, I don't know, an A and an I.
I found 2 letters apart, so I might have to do A something E. Cookie! I'm showing. You're gonna have to
find out what the word is.
Plain peace. Okay, now you try to read it. Plain peace? No,